Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Aquarius. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Aquarius. Let's see what is coming up for your daily energies and for your love energies, Aquarius. Four of Pentacles, the Chariot, Six of Cups, Five of Wands, Ace of Swords, guys. Aquarius, with these cards, I feel you are happy how things are going. Today, you have everything. You are feeling perfect. You have whatever you want in life. You feel you have achieved what you want in life. Something you have conquered some situation. This may be in your work, regarding some project, some kind of achievements you were striving hard to reach, guys, and today you have reached that state. You have succeeded in your attempt. This may also concern your relationship. Maybe you were planning to move towards this person, or this person was coming towards you, and you have reached a good understanding between each other, and you feel some kind of completion within yourself for how things are going about, guys, and you feel really happy how things have turned out. Maybe for some of you all today, you are feeling really, what to say, after a very hard struggle, you have reached success, so you're feeling really fortunate and lucky. Or this may be what your person feels towards your situation. Maybe if that was regarding work, or maybe even in this relationship, after what to say, many struggles, you have found this right person, or maybe some kind of arguments, struggles within yourself with your person, you have come to a understanding with each other. You have a mutual understanding, guys, so that may also be the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you are sharing your memories, childhood memories, with friends and family, with this person, or you are what to say, you are overcoming your childhood traumas, something of the past which was there within you, which was hurting you. Now you are giving way to the present, guys. You are just moving on from the past traumas, whatever you were having in within yourself, and you are sharing, maybe for some of your pleasant memories. Maybe the things of past are just vanishing today with this current situation, after tasting success in your life and happiness in your relationship. That may also be the energy here, guys, and you are really feeling happy for how things are falling into place, guys, how things are turning out today. And maybe for some of you all, you may be getting gifts from this person. Maybe they are coming to gift you today and visit you, and you may be having a good time with them, guys. Or they may be coming to gift you and propose to you also, for some of you all, and you may be sharing your happy memories with them. So that may also be the energy here, Aquarius. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards here. What is the energy? Stars. Letter. Heart. Ring. Okay. So with these cards, guys, I surely feel some important news is coming your way. Maybe this person is coming to gift you and propose to you, and you are finding the way to reach your goals, guys. Whatever you have in life, you are feeling that inspiration and guidance, and you are just identifying the way to reach your goals, to manifest your goals and succeed in your life, guys. So you are finding the path to your success today, and you're feeling really optimistic. And for few of you all, even your wildest dreams may come true, guys. That may manifest, and you're feeling really committed in this relationship. You have that responsibility. Maybe for some of you all, you may be going into some kind of legal agreements or financial investments. You may be finalizing on some financial investments, and you may be signing some important documents in your work, or even in your relationship. You may be deciding on something very important. So that may also be the energy here, guys. And this may be your energy towards your person, or your person's energy towards you, guys. They may want to have that long committed relationship with you, or you may want that long committed relationship with them. And these cards just denote a very good understanding, compatibility, attraction and intimacy in your relationship, guys. And you love to be with this person. Maybe with these cards, that may be the energy here. And for few of you all, maybe you will what to say have that deep connection with this person. You may feel that this person makes you feel really special, and there is sincerity and contentment in this relationship, and you feel you are gifted to have them, guys, in your life. Or they may feel they are really gifted to have you in their life. And just like I said before, they may be coming to visit you and spend quality time with you. And maybe you may be talking about your happy memories together, and they may offer flowers to you, guys. And these cards just denote the clarity and confidence and intimacy you have in this relationship, guys. So let us see what the fairies are guiding us with today, guys. What is coming up with the fairy cards? I'll be picking one card from this deck, guys. Nautilus Princess. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, each and every one of us go through so many changes. We face so many challenges every day, and life throws so many challenges towards us in order to make us grow and grow into this perfect proportion person, guys. So sometimes we may get guidance from friends or family, people who are older than us, who will be more skilled and who will have many experiences than us. So they may share their secrets with you. They may want to share their experience with you and give you suggestions. So when we listen to their suggestions, it just makes us grow strong and faster, emotionally grow, guys, emotionally and spiritually. So this is the time of great transformation for you all, Aquarius. So that is the energy here with this card. So the energy is that we will be more open to new what to say, suggestions, new friends, some kind of discovery, and everything, every situation and every people we meet in our life will act as a guide to increase our potential, guys. So that is the energy with this card, Aquarius. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thanks for watching, Aquarius. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye.